Today we're seeing things from a different perspective. My life recently turned upside down, and the future of this channel is uncertain. Today, I'm reminded of the simple things. I want to thank everyone who took the time out of their day to check out my prior videos. I created them thinking nobody would even see them. I appreciate everyone who subscribed as well. I know everyone watching is here for 4x4 content, and I won't get too personal here. I just feel like it's worth addressing. I've recently lost someone very close to me. It happened very unexpectedly, and it's been rough to say the least. And during the course of all this, I also lost my income as I spent all of my time committing to this person in these final days. I'm currently rebuilding through all of this, but I have also been on the verge of losing my rig due to these issues with finances. And no more rig means no more cringy videos. I wanted to explain this because you guys took the time to check out my last video and subscribe to the channel, and then I just ghosted everyone for 4 months. For now, I'm taking it day by day, month by month, and for now, I'll continue making videos of my Sequoia and any upcoming adventures. I have some upgrades that have been sitting in storage for a while waiting to be installed, and we have been planning a small weekend trip in a couple of weeks. My kids love the Sequoia and they've been pretty eager to take it out on some adventures. Though I lost my income, I gained a little freedom and time to spend with my family. It really hit me lately that this should always come first. It feels like the past 10 years have really flown by. I went down this road of overlanding to escape all of life's patterns that tend to wear you down and put you in a box. I just want to hold on to this. So today, we're seeing things from a different perspective. As long as this channel lasts, I hope you stick around as we create more cringeworthy content. I hope to see you in the next video.